Is Goblins Wood game worth it or not? Should you try it? Is it possible to reach levels 100, 130 or higher levels, or is it just a waste of time? Are there better apps that I would recommend? For example, this one, and other ones? That's what I will answer to you in this video after testing Goblins Wood and other similar Goblin games myself like Goblin Miner, and after seeing other people's experiences about it. I will also leave you all the links and resources in the description right here below the video, so you can start using the best apps immediately after you stop watching. The reason you are watching a video about Goblins Wood may be that you have seen some crazy offers on different websites. Let me just show you right here. One of those websites is this one. You may have seen their video where they promise rewards for these types of games. Other one can be also swag bucks. You can see here Goblins Wood, very big offer. Here is also Goblins Wood on swag bucks. But as you know, some of these gaming offers are worth it, some of them are not worth it, and that's why you are in the right place watching my review about Goblins Wood. So let's go through the details on how does the Goblins Wood work. The basic idea is that you have these goblins here and you will move them forward for mining or hacking this wood, as you can see, and then you get more goblins and you can merge them like this, and then they become more powerful, and then you get more goblins by clicking this one. Then you can open the boxes and you always get upgrades. So the basic idea is that you level up with these goblins, then you get upgrades to level up even faster and then even faster. As you can see, if I move this goblin right here, it becomes stronger and now I can progress faster. Then if I want to get more coins, you can click here, click again, click here, and you can see each time it gives me upgrades. So it progress faster, level up faster, repeat, and you can see this goblin mined this one mined this one, so you can see it's progressing all the time, and here I get the rewards by tapping this. And then of course you can take upgrades by clicking here on the bottom, click here, and for example here they provide free rewards by watching this, and then you can get all the rewards, and that also helps you to level up even more. And then if you watch ads, for example here I watch an ad, it gives me some rewards. And then they also have these special offers. I don't recommend spending any money on this, only use this for free if you are planning to use these Goblin games. So now, is this app worth it? Let's go through here. So another tab, here you can go through and get upgrades. You can see if you don't have enough resources, you can simply continue playing and then eventually you will get them. Should you spend your time on this game or not? Should you focus on the better apps that I will show you in a moment? So as you can see here on the screen, the game works and the gaming experience overall is nice. You can see here it doesn't take so much time if you put this. It's so-called idle game because you simply move your goblins and then they basically do the heavy lifting. You can see they continue hacking these woods and then you progress. So it's an idle game, and also when you close the app you will get more coins automatically from all of these stations. You can automate the process, so it's nice. And then also I tested the ad bonuses. If you watch the ads, it really gives. So the gaming, it works. It's a real game that works exactly as it's promised. I haven't faced any errors with Goblins Wood, nor with Goblins Miner, nor with Gold and Goblins. So these games, they work perfectly fine. You can see moving there and it works. And also you can skip the ads if you ever get them, restart the app. So then actually you don't even need to watch ads to progress on this game. Also, when I wanted to get the rewards from this game, you can see Goblin Miner, which is similar like Goblins Wood. It gave me the rewards. You can see here, for example, complete level 10. Within 30 days it gave the first reward. So yes, it worked. But now the big question is it worth it to go into these higher levels? Here is a Goblin Miner, which is a similar game. You can see complete level 75. You can see how big rewards this game provides, or promises at least. Is it worth it to play so much that you would reach level 75, 90 and all the other ones? That is the big question that we are talking about, because you can see in the beginning the progress is fast. You can see I already mined a little bit, or you can see it provides different kind of speed ups. I can click right here and then it explains here that I can use the speed ups, and progress is fast. But the challenge here is that as you keep on progressing in the game, it all the time becomes slower and slower. And in the beginning there are not so many ads, but over time the ads seem to keep increasing, at least based on my experiences. You can tell me in the comments below what is your experience. You can see beginning it's always easy, because you simply go through this, and now I can already activate. Click here continue, and usually when you're on the higher levels, when you activate this one, it will give you an advertisement. First need to unlock this station, after that I can activate this one. But on the lower levels it doesn't show many ads, and it feels like when you start reaching the higher levels, it will start taking always longer and longer to go to the next level, and it seems to get exponentially harder, and at some point each level may start taking a few days. Let me give you a quick example on the computer. Here we have somebody who played Goblins Wood and is on level 80, and you can see here just mining these 17 and 18, it may take up to 1 day. This one is a little bit faster, but you can see how many woods there is left, so many trees left, and you can just imagine how long it will take. I estimate it may take even days for him to reach that level. But of course there are some people who claim that they have get some rewards. You can see here, for example, this one says I beat Goblins Wood, here is what I made, and he explains the process on what he did on this application. Again, I don't recommend, I simply report of what I have seen people doing. So he bought some of these paid packages, I think right here, and he spent money. Again, I don't recommend it. And he said that in the end he received more money in rewards than what he spent. However, we should always be skeptical of what we see online, because these Goblin Games creators would like to encourage people to spend more money on the game, so we cannot verify if that story is real. Maybe it's real, maybe it's not real. But then we have also all other resources. For example, on Reddit there is a lot of discussion about Goblins Wood, and the overall sentiment seems to be there that the big rewards are advertised, but it's very hard to reach the goal, and most people seem to be disappointed. You can simply go through yourself and you can read yourself. It's annoying. The main problem is that you have to keep moving, and it's not always free, and you can see other people's experiences. So overall it gets harder and harder, and many people do get disappointed. I wouldn't recommend spending too much time on this, because there are generally better apps available. Let me just show you some examples. Here, if we go to this page, here are 15 rewards apps that you can start using today. Those are the apps that I recommend. And if you want to start using some of the specific gaming offer, you can always ask in our Telegram group, where we have already thousands of members, and perhaps some of the other users have already tested some games. You can also check out Reddit and other forums before you start spending time on it. If you want to start get these reward apps, you can simply put your email address here. You can click here submit, and I will send you the best apps into your inbox. You can get it, of course, directly through the link in the description right here. But then there are also applications with the bigger potential, because when it comes to games like Goblin Miner and Goblins Wood, they pay you some rewards. But again, nothing life-changing. And that's why I also recommend that you start using these bigger potential apps like Binance, BYBIT and CoinEx. And my idea for you is a two-step strategy. You get free rewards from all of these apps like Goblin Miner, Swagbucks, whatever apps you are using for free, and then you save those funds, and then you let your rewards grow like a snowball, so you can benefit even while you are sleeping. You can do it, for example, here on the BYBIT app. They provide automated bots, they provide earn accounts, they provide also automated trading. CoinEx you can also use even privately, even without KYC, so it's a great option. And then of course the biggest ones like BYBIT and Binance. Hundreds of millions of people worldwide use Binance. Last time I checked, more than 300 million people are already using it. But if you go to their earn account here on the more, and here they have the earn accounts. Let's go down. They provide simple earn and then also mining features. Binance, in my experience, doesn't give as big rewards as CoinEx, for example. BYBIT gives slightly better than Binance, but then again CoinEx at the moment of recording this video seems to be providing the best reward. So those are great apps with a bigger potential. I will leave you all the links and resources in the description right here below the video, so you can start benefiting immediately. Just to give you an idea, for BYBIT our subscribers can get the really nice welcome rewards, as you can see right here. You will see my face, my name, and when you scroll down you will see the potential welcome rewards. And if you want to get tutorials for any of the apps I recommend, you can simply click my face, you will land on my YouTube channel, and you can scroll down right here. You will see here how to use BYBIT, how to use Binance, and how to use other great applications. If you want to start, for example, from BYBIT, which is perhaps one of the best all-in-one reward apps in the world of trading, I have collected and created this ultimate playlist where you see how to claim your welcome rewards, how to use BYBIT for beginners, how to use BYBIT app and automated bots, and much more. You can simply take one of your fingers right now, click right here in the corner, and you will learn to use BYBIT and learn to claim your welcome rewards even as a beginner.